Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the App/Menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll down, find the watch settings, and tap on it to enter. Now scroll down and find the connectivity menu, and then select it, and then scroll down, find the Wi-Fi option, tap on it, and here find the option called My Networks, tap on it, and right here under My Networks you will see the list of networks your watch is connected to. Find the network you want to disconnect from, tap on it, scroll down, select Remove, then confirm by pressing the Start button, and the network will disappear, which means your watch is disconnected from it. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.